Okay, we're working with negative exponents. We have a squared, b to the negative 3, a to the negative 7. We want to simplify this expression. Now, in order for us to do this, one of the quickest hacks to realize is that if you've got a negative exponent, all you have to do with this variable is turn it upside down, get the reciprocal. Over here we have a negative, we're going to turn that into a reciprocal too. We're going to flip it upside down. This is a positive, which means we just leave it as it is. So let's go through this step by step. So the first thing is we got a to the power of 2. So we write that down as a to the power of 2. And I'm going to put this over 1 because I just flipped it. Well, actually I haven't flipped it, I kept it the same. A squared over 1. Now, that's multiplied by, here we've got b to the negative 3. So what's b? What's the reciprocal of b? Well, if I turn that upside down, it's 1 over b. And then we just take the 3 and we put it there. Now it's a positive 3 and it's in the denominator down below. So b negative 3 is the same as 1 over b cubed. Okay, let's multiply again. We have another negative here. So this is a to the negative 7. So what's the reciprocal of a? It's 1 over a. So 1 over a, because we have the negative, now it becomes a positive 7. Okay, now all we have to do is multiply across. So it's a squared times 1, that's going to equal a squared. All over. Down below, 1 times b cubed times a to the 7. So that's going to be b cubed times a to the 7. Okay, how are we further going to simplify this? Well, you'll notice that we got bases, numerator and denominator that are the same. So we've got a squared and a to the power of 7 down here. So these two guys, because they're the same base, what can we do with the exponent powers? Well, we can subtract these powers, can't we? So we can do that. So first of all, let me write it out so it's a lot neater. So I'm going to put the a's over the a so it's nice and neat. So we've got a squared over a to the 7. And let me just extend this. And over here we've got b3. I'm just going to drag it there. I just swapped these two guys. It's still the same. Nothing's changed. Okay, notice the same bases, a and a. Now we can work with these exponents and we can subtract them. So here we got a to the 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. What's that going to equal? 2 minus 7, it's always the top minus the bottom. 2 minus 7 is going to give us a negative. So that's going to be a to the negative 5. What's a to the negative 5? Well, it's got a negative. It means that a is going to be down below. So that's the same as saying 1 over a to the positive 5, isn't it? So that means it goes down below. So that's what we're after. That there, this here, that part there turns into that. A to the 2 over a to the 7 becomes that. Now let's just simplify. Let's replace this over here. So that becomes 1 over a to the 5. And we've got this guy, b3, just drag and drop it right there. It stays as b3, doesn't change. So that's our answer, 1 over a to the 5, b to the 3. There you go.